treatment's recommended, why it's recommended, what it costs, and then our job is to help them make the cost comfortable. That's my philosophy.
Seminar, it's going wonderfully. Shelley's always got great information for us, and she makes the language simple that people can understand and relate to their patient.
The way she presents it's very good. I mean, and it's true. She said the way you do it, it'll work like this, and she does a good job. Yeah.
Shelley's very dynamic, a lot of energy, makes the seminar interesting and exciting.
Our doctor hadn't been to one yet, and so it was nice to have him come to hear the same things that we had heard the last time.
People that I've talked to and recommended to come and work with Shelley or with Advanced Practice Management shows them how much better that things could be if they follow through with a lot of these concepts and ideas.
It's good information, very good information. We worked with Bill Rossi before.
It works. It really works.